It is Monster Jam World Finals 14, and we have 24 trucks, and it is brought to you by Advanced Auto Parts, U.S. Air Force Base, Hot Wheels, and Vans. And here is all the monster trucks that are coming out. It's showtime! El Toro Loco! Oh no, it's a 4!
Who is it?
Spider-Man! Oh! He's going up. Oh no! It's a 10. Spider-Man. Oh, he's going straight out, and it's Hot Wheels. Oh no! We're going with the 12 wheels in the hot seats. USA Force Afterburner! Oh yeah! Oh no! Rammed into that trailer. Look at that. 16 on U.S. Air Force Afterburner.
What is it?
Mohawk Warrior Root, no Mohawk. Oh, he's still going. Oh, he's like doing good out here. Whoa. He's going backwards on it. And he makes it. Oh no. 26.
26 points. He's in.
Dots. Doesn't count.
Who's it?
Donkey Kong. Oh! Oh! Jeez. Donkey Kong. Oh, it's a wheelie. And it's Superman. Oh, just 8. Oh, I made. Oh, it's a wheelie.
Who is that?
It's Captain's Carts. Oh no. 12. Right now, U.S. Air Force Afterburner is in the hot seat, but it looks like we're in Get.
Get.
Oh, bounty hunter did a wheelie.
19 points.
Oh!
Who is it?
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles! Oh, really? Look at that. Oh, he's going the other way. Oh, a wheelie. Down it. 34 for Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Yeah.
He's in the lead. No! Oh my goodness. Oh, these wheelies. Look at that. Oh! The first one to make it. He's going the other way. Oh! It's a wheelie. He's going the other way. Oh! Oh! 36 for King Crunch. Grave digger the legend. 10. And another one.
Who's it?
King Crunch. Oh no. It's a 4. And another King Crunch. Spray painted gold. Oh! This guy is going great. He's frozen. Oh no, he's not anymore. Oh no. We will call that a 29. Whoa, Thunder!
Ooh!
Oh! Jump in his own truck. Oh, wheelie! Crashed the whole thing. Oh no. 34. In second place.